Here is my recipe for seafood gumbo. Over medium heat, start with a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Add 1 stick of butter. Here I'm adding a 1/2 cup of flour. You're going to continue to stir the roux until it gets to a chocolate color. This process takes a while, so be ready. Once your roux is at the desired color, add a 1/2 cup of diced onion. Add a 1/2 cup of sliced celery. Add a 1/2 cup of chopped green pepper. Saute your veggies for a few minutes until they get soft. Here I'm adding about a cup of Andouille sausage. Now I'm seasoning with salt, pepper, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, and chicken bouillon. After you have mixed the seasonings in, you're going to slowly add 4 cups of water to your roux. After you have added all of the water and brought it to a boil, you're going to add your okra, crawfish, and shrimp. Once you've added all of your seafood, you're going to add about 3 bay leaves, then cover and simmer for about 30 minutes. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.